going to make this very creative craft. Here we're going to take this printed paper, start folding it from the diagonals, then from the side. We're going to make this box first. So we're going to make a cover now. Take another piece of paper, make a lock. You can also paste some stickers. Look at this beautiful umbrella. Let's make it using craft paper. So take a sheet of paper and start folding it, make a square shape. Now keep folding it from the sides and up the paper inside. Now make two such shapes. That is from the bottom and make this triangular shape. Now we're going to open one of them and then cut it from the center. After this, keep folding it from the corners and keep it aside. Take another piece of paper, simply open it and paste both of them together. Now make a cut on top and bottom and put this stick at the center. You can fix it by rolling a small piece of paper on the top and then on the bottom, and look, you can open it like this. Now we're going to make a flower shape. So cut the shape and then make this heart shape and paste it around the umbrella and it's ready. Here we're going to make this beautiful container. Let's get started. So we're going to take this paper, start folding it from the diagonals. Now open it and then we're going to fold it, flip it and again fold it from the side. After this, we're going to keep folding it and make this circular container. Press it and look, it's ready. Look at these beautiful boxes. You can put your sketch pens or pens inside. So let's make it using paper. As you can see, we are going to make multiple fold and start folding it from the corners and make this box. Fold it and paste it. Make two such boxes and close it like this. And you can also decorate it by pasting these bows and it's ready. Look at this beautiful craft. When you open it, it has so many containers. So let's learn how you can make it. First, we're going to make the mini box. So take this paper and start folding it from the corners. Tuck the paper inside and the box is ready. Make 4 such boxes. Now take another piece of paper and start folding it. And look, it's ready. Now keep it side as well. After this, we're going to simply put all the 4 boxes on this pink color of paper and start folding it from top and bottom. Paste some stickers and it's ready. Look at this colorful infinity star. Let's learn how you can make it. So we're going to make multiple fold on this yellow craft paper and then fold it from the top and bottom. Make the square shape. Now we're going to press it and make the heart shape. After this, you can make more such colorful shapes and paste all of them one after another and then gently open it and look, it is ready. Look at this star container. Let's make it using craft paper. So take this printed paper and start folding it from the corners and then fold it again. Here we're going to cut it from the bottom. When you open it, you will get this pentagon shape. Now keep folding it from the corners and give it shape of this star. Flip it and again fold it from this portion as well. After making the crease, we're going to gently press it and look, your container is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.